So yun, no, for today's video, meron tayo ditong MacBook Air. Applicable sa Pro, M1, M2. Itong mga simple tips natin na ma-encounter ninyo, nagre-reset ba, nag-auto shutdown, kakaroon ng error, buggy, okay? Tip number 1, tignan nyo, baka kailangan nyo lang ng i-update yung inyong Mac OS. So, okay. Tip number 2, baka kailangan nyo lang i-reset yung VRAM ninyo. So, number 1, ang gagawin nyo lang is Option, Command, R, and P. Sabay-sabay nyo siyang i-hold for 20 seconds. Pero bago nyo gawin yon, make sure shut down yung unit ninyo. So, okay. So, tip 3. Okay. I-reset naman natin yung SMC or yung System Management Controller ninyo. So, para sa M1 to M2 users, shut down your unit and just wait for at least 10 seconds to 20 seconds before you turn it on again. Okay, para naman sa other units, you just need to shift, option, and command. So, i-turn off nyo lang and then ipindutin nyo to, then turn it on for 10 seconds. Doon siya ma-reset. Okay? So, I hope you enjoy those tips. Follow for more.